Hey everybody, how you doing today? Well, we're at the Myrtle Beach Speedway in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, running the SK Modifieds.
But it looks like we're going to be lining up on the outside. The road is closed.
I'm in the number 5 car, Craftsman car, and I'm starting 4th on the grid. I like Myrtle Beach Speedway here. I've done fairly well here. I have not won here yet, but I have run here several times, I think in the street stock, the Wheelin' Tour Modified and the SK Modified. So again, the goals today, stay out of trouble and finish in the top of the pack or the top half of the field. And if I can get a top 5 or a top 3 or even pull out a surprise win, I'll be more than happy.
One pit stop, one plug nub, one can of fuel, everything, one at a time. One. That's all you got to do.
That's all you got to do. One. I don't recognize most of the names here.
Man, this thing gets boring. We're in a good spot. We got a beer stand and a pizza stand right behind our pit box. Hey, bud, coming to the green. Be ready.
And we're off.
Green.
We string out pretty quickly there. I maintain the 4th position. Negotiate 1 and 2 without spinning and sliding. All right. Can we get off a lap or 2 without a caution? By the way, the SK series here in iRacing is an enduro series. There are no cautions. It's 50 laps. If you pit, you're done. All right, we got lap 2 down. Ooh, the car brushes the wall. I did not see that coming, and I am airborne. Holy shit. Damn it. This is my Michael Bay style of editing the crash. And I'm thinking to myself, well, my goose is cooked. And man, they just keep stacking up and piling up. All because the car brushed the wall. He just got smashed again. Holy cow. I'm thinking to myself, well, back up, get turned around, let's go. No cautions. This is an enduro. Let's see what happens here. How bad's the car? Believe it or not, it's showing me in 3rd place right now. I'm not sure about how that is the case. I haven't gone down a lap yet. Missed that guy backing up, but he takes somebody else out. Okay, back on track. Let's go. Hammer it. Coming down through 3 and 4 now, and the car feels pretty good. I don't have any real concerns about it blowing up because the hits that I took were not that great. And I'm being shown in the 7th position after that mess. You're seeing a bunch of guys drop out. They're disconnecting. They're just saying to hell with it. I'm out of here. I'm going to stick it out here for a little while. Make a pass on the 8 there. I think that is for position. The 12 car ahead of me, that is for position. I'm still in 7th. Just look at the leaderboard there. I'm still in 7th. Car 12, that is a position. Okay, that 8 car, that was a position. I did get him. Got that at the start-finish line. Get past the 12 car, and believe it or not, I am in 5th after that melee. Incredible. I'm in 5th position.
Good job, man. Nice and solid. Take care of yourself.
'13 car, he is a lap down. That is not for position, and I overcook it. Hit the infield. And the 12 car is going to make a position on me, and then he spins out and loses it, and I tag him. Damn it. Is the car hurt? You know what? Just keep on going. Pedal to the metal until it blows. So that puts me back into 5th. 16 seconds behind the leader. 4th position is only 2 seconds in front of me. Well, the car feels okay. I'm up to full speed, so just keep going. Car 13 is the one I'm looking for in 4th position. You've got about a straightaway lead on me, about 2 seconds, 2.5 seconds. Oh, he's only a half a second in front of me. 13, oh, that was that Hoosier car. Okay. Just gained a position. I'm up to 4th. I'm doing this voiceover after the fact as I'm watching this. This race was such a mess, I wasn't sure where I was at times.
You're looking good. Times are good. Keep concentrating.
Yep, holding the 4th position. The 3rd position is now 7 seconds ahead of me. And that'd be car number 6. Myrtle Beach is a pretty flat track, not a lot of banking, but these SKs have so much tire and power to weight ratio that once you get into the rhythm, this is a really fun track to run. And these cars are just a blast to drive overall. Now that 9 car right behind me, that is position. He's looking on the inside. No, he is not a position. He's a lapper, so I let him go, and the 7. No need to fight with them. Car number 8 is 1.3 seconds behind me, no pressure there. The 3rd place car is about 5 seconds ahead of me, and I am in 4th still. So I'm just kind of riding around here thinking to myself, holy smokes, if I can pull a 4th out of this after all of that mess, if the car will not blow up, then I'll take that. That's why you got to kind of stick with it sometimes. A lot of guys will drop out and you can gain a lot of positions. Oh, we got a smoker up there, and I believe, I'll tell you ahead of time, that is the 6 car, which is in the 3rd position. So he's going to pull over here into pit road, and that picks me up a position and puts me into 3rd. A podium finish already. Podium position. There he goes, pulling in the pits. Car number 5 in 3rd. I tell you, the way they're dropping, I might win this one. You never know if the leader's going to get caught up in a lap car and wrecked. So just you got to dig. 4th position is over 2 seconds behind me, and I'm pulling away from him. And on the leaderboard there, I do not see 2nd position. He is more than 2 or 3 seconds ahead of me, according to the board there. Over 7 seconds ahead of me. Halfway this time by.
Halfway here.
Long way to go.
6, 7.
I'm just running my own racetrack. You can see there on the leaderboard, first and second are on the lead lap. Everybody else is at least 1 lap down. Car number 3 is in second. He's 11 seconds ahead of me. So I'm just going to ride around and, you know, if I can maintain my position, I've got a podium finish. Yeah, it's a pretty looking car, don't you think? I do. I designed my own paint scheme for the modifieds, the Tour and the SK. You can go to Trading Paints and, you know, download a custom paint scheme of, you know, a car that, oh, we got something going on here. Believe it or not, that is second position. He got caught up in a lapper. Holy smokes, coming across the line. Dave, second position. Look at that. Holy smokes. I'm in second now, folks. Anything can happen here. I can't believe this.
No, you're on the way. 18.675.
Okay, real quickly, get back to my point there that I don't have a Trading Paints paint scheme on my modifieds, you know, from an existing real-life car. I went through their collections and just didn't find anything that I really liked or a driver that I really identified with, so created my own, and I do have a Craftsman rider mower for my lawn mowing business, so Craftsman is one of the default advertisers you can put on your car when you paint your car on the iRacing website. So I just kind of came up with a red, white, and blue paint scheme with the Craftsman logo, and they're my sponsors for the SK Modified. Out of my way. Here I come. I can't believe I'm in second. I really can't. 15 laps to go. Let's jump ahead a few laps. Okay, at this time, the leader is on the lead lap all by himself, and I'm the first car a lap down, and he's 7 seconds ahead of me, and we have 10 laps to go. Anything can happen.
18.771. It'll be 10 laps to go this time.
Oof, careful, Dave. Got a little loose out of 2 there. Tires are getting a little worn, but I just overcooked that. Third place is over 3 seconds behind me. I just need to settle in, and I've got a second place finish here. Five laps to go. Number 8 car in third place has chopped off a half a second. Ooh, I could overcook it again. Calm down, Dave. There he is. That's the white car in the rearview mirror there, I believe. Now he's 2 seconds behind me. And during the race, I was paying attention to that, and I thought, okay, and that's probably why, you know, I overcooked it a little bit. I want to hang on to this second. Just a few more laps. Smooth, easy laps, and I've got a second out of this mess of a race.
18.554.
Got to be careful with these lane markings at this track. If you follow that one directly, it takes you right into the wall.
18.608.
He's cracked off another half a second, third place has. He's pulling up on me. 2 to go, this time by. You see him in the rearview mirror. He's making some time on me. 2 to go. Smooth, easy lap. Smooth, easy laps. Can't even say it. Can you drive it? Ooh, he blinked out. What happened? There he is. This is the white flag lap. He pulled up to a second of me, but I'm going to come across in second position. Incredible. Who would have thought that? I didn't. Car didn't blow, so it wasn't that severely damaged. I just can't believe that. Pulled out of second place. And I'll tell you, this was an exceptionally good points run for me. And this was the very first race here in the SK for this season, this week, for me at Myrtle Beach here. And there it is. The leader was all alone by himself on the lead lap. I was first car lap down in second place, starting in fourth. Got caught up in that melee and dug in and fought back. You know, took opportunity of some wrecks and some spins, and I bring it home second. Well, thank you very much, guys, for coming along for the ride. That was one heck of a race. It just goes to show you got to stick to it. Some of these guys that punch out pretty early, I get that. They think, well, I'm not going to finish that well. Well, if I had done the same thing after that lap 2 melee, I would have missed a second place finish. All right, guys, thank you very much. See you soon.